1, 2, 3, 4. Go! Hey everyone, I'm NanoElite666, and you are watching me play Doom 3. We are back. Having recently crashed our choo-choo train. Now we are... at Delta Labs. Or on our way to Delta Labs. So let us make our way to Delta Labs. And look at a dirty magazine. Booty! Hello! They're my dirty magazines. You can't have them, Mr. Soldier Guy. I saw them first. Hey. Carl Cullen, I stole your PDA, mister. Let's read it. And all the secrets held within. No audio logs, okay. Oh, he's got a lot of email. So, Security Authority, new automated defense systems. Mr. Cullen, please inform your team that an automated security gun to turret gun will be installed at the main entrance to Delta. This is due to the increased sensitive nature of the experiments and the security problems we've recently had. Please ensure that your team members have correct security clearance and are in the IFF database. We don't want a repeat of the problems we had when the guns were installed at Marine Command. Thank you, Central Security Authority. Uh-oh. From Chris Bauman. Turret shutdown codes. Original message. Guys, I've encoded the shutdown sequence for the turret gun into my PDA. You can use it at the security terminal near the metal detectors if there are any problems with the gun. I would rather have it offline than killing anyone. Thanks, Carl. And the reply was, thanks, I freaking hate loaded guns with an automatic IFF. Lee Pomeroy, extra medical supplies. Carl, as the medical supervisor in this section, I feel it's my obligation to be provocative in regards to safety, especially now that we have a turret gun in a heavy traffic area. As a precaution, I've stocked medical supplies in the storage cabinets adjacent to the security office. Both cabinet codes are 364. I hope we never need them. Lee Pomeroy, medical supervisor. 364, remember that. Sam Harding, mounting brackets fixed. I already read that one on somebody else's PDA. Carl, I fixed the mounting brackets this morning, blah blah blah, damn mix-em bolts. And from Matthew Geyser, additional security needed. Mr. Cullen, we are going to be transporting a large specimen from Delta. Normally we would not be using the monorail, but we need to get it to Phobos Lab, and this is our only option. The specimen will be sedated, however, given both the importance and the hazardous nature of it, we feel it is prudent to have an enhanced security presence. You and your men should be prepared with full armor and plasma guns. However, lethal force should only be used as a last resort. Bringing this thing alive through the teleporter costs 7 men their lives, and it would be a shame to waste that effort. Also, as you know, there are plenty of rumors about our specimens. I do not want this to get out of control. Information about this transport must be kept to only those that need to know what is in the container. Thank you for your cooperation on this. A specimen, you say? Killed 7 people getting it through the teleporter?
Destroyed.
He didn't destroy me very well. I hear you cackling like a bad guy, Dr. Betruger. Alrighty.
Warning. Automated turret guns online.
Well, sounds like the auto turret just ruined somebody's day.
Warning. Automated turret guns online.
The auto turret gun is trying to ruin my day, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Deactivate weapon turrets.
Warning. Automated turret guns online.
Let's let it shoot some dudes first.
Warning. Automated turret guns online. Warning. Automated turret guns online.
Alright, let's turn this thing off.
Attention. Automated turret guns offline.
The turret was fun while it shot everybody. It was less fun when it shot me. But now there's just all these corpses around. Guess we'll have to get rid of them. Can't leave corpses lying around. Oh no. I'm trying to remember where it was. If it was around here or somewhere a little later, or maybe even somewhere before in the game. But the last time I played this game, I had an incident where I was... Open the bay door. Where I was having some fun with a chainsaw, and I was carving up a corpse on the floor, and I was crouched down, like right in front of a door. Let's go to Delta Labs. And, you know, it was right in front of a door. And then as I'm sitting here staring at the ground with the chainsaw going all chainsaw-y, they're outside. Anyways, as I was sitting there chainsawing up a corpse, the door. Restore. Oh. Restore power to Delta Labs. The door that I was standing in front of opened. I just picked up somebody's PDA. And the door opened, and I was like, uh-oh. And I noticed a pair of legs standing before me. And I jumped a bit because, oh, I was not expecting sudden zombie in front of me in a door. And so I just happened to look up. And the chainsaw was running. So the zombie who thought he got the jump on me instead got a crotch full of chainsaw and fell apart promptly. Alright. Who's throwing things? Restricted access. Can't open that. So I got somebody's PDA. Let's read it before I forget. Robert Price. He's got 2 audio logs. Price at KPJNet. Did you get it? Hey Rob, it's me again. Why haven't you written me back yet? I sent all your old books and shit to you via the UAC. Did you get them? It sure is nice to get all that crap out of the living area. Donated a lot of other stuff to some charity place, too. In 6 months, when you come back, you'll see the difference. Anyway, please write back soon. I'm lonely down here. See ya, Tanya. And R.E. You guys experiencing this? From Ryan S. Original message. Hi, Ryan. Are you guys getting strange sounds coming through walls and floors? We've been getting this all over the place the last couple days. I think it's worse in the lower levels of Delta, but I can't pinpoint what the origin is. Anyways, I'm just checking in with the others around the UAC. Thanks, Robert. Robert, I know exactly what you're talking about, although not nearly as frequently as what you're describing. I'll follow up with you on this after I do a little investigating, but it certainly is weird. Ryan. Engineer displacement.
This is the audio log of Robert Price, Delta Operational Director in charge of personnel, recruitment, evaluation, and placement. Assignment of engineers to the lower Delta labs has become almost impossible. In 6 months, we've gone from a volunteer surplus to a critical deficiency of qualified personnel willing to accept assignment. Increases in both pay and benefits have done little to help this situation. Through exit interviews as well as the weekly Delta medical brief, it's become apparent to everyone that the rate of sudden and unexplained mental illness is way beyond acceptable levels, even from ours. They're derogatorily being called sub-delts up here, and I have a feeling this attitude will spread to other parts of the UAC. End of log.
Uh-oh. Let's listen to the other one. Disciplinary action report. Uh-oh, was somebody bad?
This is the audio log of Robert Price, Delta Operational Director in charge of personnel, recruitment, evaluation, and placement. Disciplinary action report 40C-8, responding to Mars City administration request. Delta Labs 1 is currently addressing a problem concerning theft of security equipment. 4 members of the security detail assigned to the Delta Labs have been reprimanded, with 3 others under investigation. It seems caches of weapons, armor, and ammo have been discovered in various places throughout the Delta Labs. We've located some of the missing equipment and have information that we hope will lead us to more. I have a team investigating storage room 21D with security code 298, where I've learned stolen items may be located. I hope to recover all items and find all personnel responsible. End of log.
21D 298. I have to keep that in mind.
Emergency power only. All Delta
All
operations
right.
suspended.
Where's the spooky guys? Where's the spooky guys? Oh, Mr. Spooky Guys, where you hiding? I know you're here. I even saw one running in this wall here. He went wooga booga booga that way. It means he has to pop out in here somewhere. Of course, you know, they're all going to pop out once I turn the power on, so I guess we'll just do that.
Systems down.
Data linker removed. Where's that data
Emergency
linker?
power only. All Delta operations suspended.
Your butt's suspended. Data linker. Well. Hello, floorboard. But I have to go down there. Hey, look at that. Something sounds happy in here. Not. I may remember this room
All Delta operations suspended.
from the first time I played this game. There's monster closets in here. I know it. I know it. Where's all the spooky people? I don't have PDA security. Low power.
Emergency power only. Watch us. All Delta operations suspended.
Come on, monsters. I know you're hiding here. Fire. Did the ground just shake? There's the data linker. Say, did the ground just shake, or was that just me walking up the stairs funny?
Emergency power only. All Delta operations
Alright,
suspended.
well, we've got our thingamajig. Now all the monsters are going to pop out. Oh, hey. He's upstairs. Up on the roof. Outside. You know, could have sworn that monsters popped out of holes in the walls there. Alright, let's put this data linker wherever the hell it goes.
Reactor core offline. All safety system orange.
Reactor. Oh, okay. Manual reactor restart required. Hey. Data control. Delta control, not data control. Herp derp. Lobby elevators. Are they broken too? Probably.
Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure orange.
Safety procedure orange. Oh. It shows different things on the screen here. Well, okay, looks like I gotta go turn the reactor back on now.
Video link up requested. Connection established. Reactor
Green,
core offline.
this is Kelly.
Please follow
If
safety
you're watching this,
procedure.
you're tougher than I thought. I guess things aren't always what they seem. Plans have changed. Delta Complex 1's been compromised. You're not safe there. I'm moving to Secure Service Tunnel 1. It's not far from your position. We'll meet there.
Hey, Sarge, are you still mad about me not sending out that transmission? What were you doing in my crawl space? Stupid imp. Now.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure
Why am I
orange.
going back this way? I don't need to go back that way. Don't have to go to the crawl space. The doors work. Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, we should have monsters popping out of holes in the wall. Like that one. Pinky! Hello, corpse dangling from the ceiling. Alrighty.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please
Yeah.
follow safety procedure orange.
Yep. I need Science Team C6, Delta Authority, to get through there. Well, let's go this way then. Hello, soldier technical buddy. You done did pop out of the corner.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure orange.
Hey, stuff. Rockets. Glorious. Don't think I can get up there, probably. I mean, I could certainly try, but I doubt I can. Alright, let's go back through this door, because clearly this is the way that it wants me to go. Ooh, spooky. It's a ceiling corpse.
Please follow safety procedure orange.
This might have been the hallway and door where I crotch chainsawed a zombie. Oh, hello, zombie. Yep, I'm pretty sure that orange-suited guy was the guy that I chainsawed first, and then chainsawed his corpse, and then that guy who came around the corner was the one who said, "Peekaboo, I'm coming through the door."
Warning. Reactor core offline.
What the hell was
Please
that?
follow safety procedure orange.
And got a crotch full of chainsaw. Pinky! Did you make the funny sound? Maybe. Screw you, tentacle buddy. I thought we were friends.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure orange.
Stupid zombie! Who's making scary noises? Are you making scary noises? Ah, pretty much everybody's making scary noises at this point. Alright. Well, looks like I won't be getting back up here. Never mind, I can totally just jump back up.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure.
Oh, I hear you, floating heads. Are we done with the floating heads yet?
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure. Orange.
Your friends are with me now. Soon, you will join them.
Seems like an awful idea. Go. Hey, yourself, Bertruger. Okay. So, there's shinies.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety
Must have the
procedure.
shinies.
Orange.
I must get up onto the shelves. Like that. That's a lot of plasma there. Alright, where are we going? Probably through this hole in the wall over here. Because that ain't gonna open up, that's for sure. There's a foot. It's all creepy in here.
Offline.
There's scary laughing. Let's not use a rocket launcher in close quarters. Oh! Damn it, I forgot the combination.
This is the audio log of Robert Price, Delta Operational Director in charge of personnel, recruitment, evaluation, and placement. Disciplinary Action Report 40C-8, responding to Mars City Administration
Please
request.
follow safety procedure.
Delta Labs 1 is currently addressing a problem concerning theft of security equipment. 4 members of the security detail assigned to the Delta Labs have been reprimanded, with 3 others under investigation. It seems caches of weapons, armor, and ammo have been discovered in various places throughout the
Well,
Delta
I tried.
Labs. We've located some of the missing equipment and have information that we hope will lead us to more. I have a team investigating storage room 21D with security code 298, where I've learned stolen items may be located. I hope to recover all items and find all personnel responsible. End of log.
Warning. Reactor
Ooh, now-
core
Hello, yippee poo.
follow safety procedure. Orange.
Oh, hello, cackalackle demons. To you too, mister.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure. Orange.
Yeah, safety procedure butts. I need more plasma rounds. Hello. Where did you come from? Hole in the ceiling. Got it. Oh, and you brought a tentacle buddy, too. How wonderful. Ow. Alright. Well, clearly we are to keep going this way. So let us go this way. An elevator leading downward. But we're gonna have ourselves a fight down there. The answer, ladies and gentlemen, is indeed yes, we are having ourselves a fight. Also, the elevator broke, because of course it did. Also, there's stuff over there. I must find a way around. Hello to you too.
Warning, reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure orange.
Ow. No touch. I said no touch. Touch bad for marine farts. Maybe I'm the fart marine. Uh-oh. A ladder.
Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure orange.
I am so talented, ladies and gentlemen. I can climb up a ladder while using both of my hands to reload my gun. Well, I'm at the reactor control room. That's where I need to be to do things. The Lost Soul had a little trouble running into me. He's like, nope, nope, I'm ever so slightly out of your reach. You can't get me. Alright. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been like it's about time to make this part a cutoff.
Reactor core offline. Please follow safety procedure orange.
I hear you up there, Imp. I hear you. But I do not see you. Got him. I see. A zombie.
Please follow safety procedure orange.
You know, I said it was time to make a cutoff point, and now here I am wandering around finding stuff. There's just so much findable stuff to find. The door must have just opened because the imp was nearby. It's dark.
Warning. Reactor core offline. Please follow safety
Well,
procedure.
alright, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna go back. Hide in this room here. And we're going to make our cutoff because, well, it's that time, and I said I was going to do it, and instead of farting around and doing things, we're going to actually cut this part off. So, once again, I thank you all for watching. I hope you have been enjoying. As always, if you have any suggestions or recommendations for games that you think I should play at some point that might make for a good series like this, or if you just wish to give me a shout, give me some feedback, let me know how I'm doing. Am I doing good? Am I doing bad? If I'm doing bad, what can I do to go from doing bad to doing good? Or if you just wish to inform me that I am a terrible person because apparently I had a piece of wheat checks stuck on my shirt and it just fell off onto my desk, you may inform me of such in the comment box below. PC and PS4 only for recording suggestions, as that is all that I can currently record on right now. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, then please subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be kept up to date whenever I post new videos, and then you won't ever have to miss out on any of the shenanigans that go down in this my little corner of the internet.
Reactor core offline.
Also, if you know of anyone else who might enjoy watching this sort of thing, please share this video or one of my other videos with them. Point them in my general direction, so maybe they might potentially swing by and be amused by the shenanigans that go down in this my little corner of the internet. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I thank you all for watching. I hope you have been enjoying. I am NanoElite666, and I will see you all next time.